Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Coach Sussy here with a brand new video. Today we're going to be breaking down Cash App versus Coinbase and which is the best place to buy and sell your Bitcoin. Now, this video is going to be really helpful for you if you are just starting out in cryptocurrency and kind of want to know the basics, right? You want to know where to buy it, what it is, and just kind of understand the fundamentals behind cryptocurrency. This video is going to be really helpful for you. So we're going to start out with Cash App because Cash App is a very beginner-friendly place to buy and sell Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that you can buy and sell on Cash App. Cash App's a peer-to-peer exchange that allows you to send and receive money. Like I'm sure a lot of you have Cash App and Venmo. They are starting to incorporate cryptocurrency into their business model, which is very helpful. I used my Cash App to send Bitcoin and cash between friends and family. Now, Coinbase is a little bit different. It's more of a exchange, a place where I invest my money, right? Cash App I use more of like a wallet, and Coinbase I use more of like a savings account. So that's kind of how I view the two different exchanges and places to buy Bitcoin. So first, let's actually get into Cash App and kind of break down the fundamentals behind buying and selling Bitcoin on Cash App. So first, if you are new to crypto, you probably have no idea what Bitcoin even is. You might have heard a little bit about it. Let's break down what exactly it is. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known example of a new kind of money called cryptocurrency. It creates and holds and transfers value using cryptographic equations and codes to ensure that transactions can only be completed once. One of Bitcoin's most important characteristics is that it is decentralized, using peer-to-peer technology, meaning no single institution can control the Bitcoin network. So there's no owner of Bitcoin. It's not like a central bank. It's a little bit different. Now, buying Bitcoin on Cash App, you could do a couple different ways. When you go to your Cash App, you type Bitcoin tab on your Cash App home screen, tap buy BTC, select the amount, and it's very self-explanatory when it comes to this. Now you could also do custom orders. Now custom orders can be helpful if you want to set a specific buy order, right? If you want to buy Bitcoin, say when the price drops to 30,000, like the website says right here, you could set a buy order for a certain price, which takes a lot of the guesswork out of, I don't know if it's going to drop today, tomorrow, the next day. Having that buy order set allows you to not think about it and just, if the price hits that amount, Cash App will solidify that transaction and you will buy the asset. So I personally haven't used that yet. It definitely can be very helpful because you could also set sell orders as well. So say you want to sell Bitcoin if it gets to a certain price, say 60K. If you put that in, all right, sell $2,000 worth at 60K, app won't solidify that transaction until Bitcoin hits 60K, and if it doesn't hit it, then the transaction just doesn't ever happen. So it could definitely be that doing the custom orders can definitely be very helpful if you're just starting out. Now, you could also do auto invest. Now, this is very important. Auto investing allows you to dollar cost average into the market, right? Instead of just spending all your money on the asset in one sitting or one day, going all in, you could kind of break it down into different intervals. So say you could do $20 every 2 weeks. I personally invest monthly. Some people invest yearly, daily. It doesn't really matter what you do. Just dollar costing averaging into the market allows you to not buy in at one specific price. You're going to be buying in at all the different prices. Like I've bought in Bitcoin at 30,000 all the way up to 57,000. Buying in at all those ranges kind of keeps me more diversified in terms of when I'm buying. So, which I do like, right? It can be very helpful. So this app or this section of the website for Cash App support kind of breaks down how to set up auto invest. So Cash App definitely does a really good job at allowing the user to kind of understand the basics when it comes to buying and selling. So let's go over sending and receiving Bitcoin, because this is really helpful and it's very beginner friendly when it comes to sending and receiving Bitcoin. So you can instantly send Bitcoin to any hashtag or money sign cash tag for free right from the Cash App. So what's nice about this is that you're not using the on-chain transaction, like we're going to go over that. You're not using the blockchain. I mean, it is the blockchain, but what's nice about this is instead of having to type in the addresses or scan a QR code, you could just, all right, so say you want to send $1 of BTC to a certain person, you could just type it in and then boom, it sends. So you could send Bitcoin to someone through this way, but you can and there is a minimum amount, this is important to note. The minimum amount per transaction to a cash tag is 1,000 sats. And 1,000 sats is not a lot of money. Not a lot of cash, dollars. Now, on-chain transactions, this is something I did this weekend. I sent Bitcoin to my cousin who has a Coinbase account. What's different about this is that you have to actually scan the QR code. So I used my Cash App Bitcoin wallet, and scanned her Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, and the transaction went through. So to do this type of transaction, you need to withdraw at least 0.001 Bitcoin to make a withdrawal using the standard withdrawal speed. The minimum amount per transaction to a cash tag, like I said, is 1,000 sats. Weekly spending limit, 75,000. Weekly receiving limit, $7,500. Now we also need to understand Bitcoin fees, because there's obviously fees when it comes to buying crypto and when you sell. So Cash App may charge a small fee when you buy or sell Bitcoin. If so, the fee will be listed on the trade confirmation before you complete the transaction. When you buy or sell Bitcoin using Cash App, the price is derived from the quoted mid-market price, inclusive of a margin or spread. The mid-market price is the average price of Bitcoin currently selling across other major exchanges like any other financial market. This average price is not necessarily the price you are able to buy or sell at, but is how we calculate our bids. So definitely read through this if you're new to crypto, and it could definitely be really helpful to kind of understand the basics when it comes to the fees, because fees are definitely they're everywhere. Fees are going to be on all exchanges. Coinbase is a little bit different. Coinbase is a place where it's a good place to invest the money and kind of keep it there. If you know you're going to be a long-term investor, you could trade on this app as well. But what I like most about Coinbase is it's an exchange. So there's multiple different cryptos that you could buy on this exchange, right? You got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, USD Coin. There's a lot of different cryptos that you could get involved in. So this website is a lot more advanced, but at the same time, it's still the basics. You got your Bitcoin, you got your Ethereum, these two big places. Now, what's really helpful with Coinbase is that it helps you. It's a good place to learn, right? If you want to learn the crypto basics, what is Ethereum? What is Bitcoin? There's a lot more information on this website versus Cash App. So it's a good place to just kind of browse and kind of learn about what is crypto, what is a blockchain. All these little articles are really important. You kind of get updated news. What else we got? We got some tips and tutorials. How do you buy NFT? How to earn crypto rewards, how to set up a crypto wallet, tax guides. So there's a lot of tips and tricks with Coinbase. And like I said, there is going to be a little bit higher fees when you do buy crypto, but that's okay. It's not going to be by much, right? Really not that big of a deal. Fees are not the indicator of what's going to help you build wealth in this cryptocurrency market. It's being able to continually invest, continually hold, right? I'm a long-term investor. I'm not buying Bitcoin to sell it anytime soon. I'm buying Bitcoin for the long haul. This is a 10 to 20 year investment, probably even longer, but I know I'm not going to be taking any type of profits for the next 10, 15, 20 years. That's my time horizon when it comes to investing. That's why I have a Coinbase wallet. I have a Cash App wallet. I have both. Having both is a good way to get involved in the two different and kind of have them both work hand in hand. They definitely can work hand in hand when it comes to buying and selling your Bitcoin. So that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I really wanted to just break down the two apps or the two websites so you could kind of get a feel for where to buy it. These are definitely the two places that I recommend buying and holding your Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm going to be posting a bunch more videos this upcoming week when it comes to crypto. I'm going to be doing a bunch of crypto videos. We have some personal finance investing videos as well coming up in the future. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video. It does help out with the algorithm so more people can get exposure to this video and learn about where they could buy Bitcoin. So without further ado, this has been your boy Coach Dusty, and I'm out. Peace.